Hello everyone, my name is Dennis and I develop and customize solutions for accountants, tax agents and bookkeepers. And if you are considering to implement an ERP solution, I'd like to share some details about an amazing ERP software with the name Wiise. And this software is actually built here in Australia. So, in this video we will try to understand if the solution is right for your business and what benefits you should get by implementing Wiise. Are you an Australian or a New Zealand company? Do you feel that you have outgrown your current software, including accounting, CRM, payroll, and etc.? Or your IT environment needs to be simplified because so many different systems are in use? Then Wiise might be an excellent option for you. Wiise offers all the business critical systems in a single solution with their unified interface. Everything is integrated. So your users don't struggle with all those links, various guides and accesses. And of course manual data transfer, no more. The configuration is adjusted to Australian and New Zealand settings, including the tax law, payroll, legal, bank reconciliation with automated feeds, and etc. So let's discuss other benefits by industry. In general, consultancies, legal practices and other service-based companies, including accounting firms of course, benefit from Wiise project management functionality. With tools for time tracking, resource allocation and invoicing, service-oriented businesses can efficiently manage client projects, track billable hours and automate billing processes. Plus, the system got a very extended accounting and tax reporting models. This streamlined approach enhances client satisfaction, ensures timely project delivery and the law compliance. And particularly for accountants, Wiise provides the following benefits. Financial management. Wiise provides tools for managing financial operations, including general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, budgeting, and financial reporting. Integration. It integrates different business functions into one system, allowing accountants to access and analyze data across departments, streamlining processes and improving efficiency. Inventory management. For businesses dealing with the inventory, Wiise offers inventory tracking and management capabilities, enabling accountants to maintain accurate financial records related to inventory valuation and stock levels. Customizable reports. Wiise allows users to create customizable reports, financial statements and dashboards, providing accountants with the tools to generate and analyze financial data as needed. Automation. This software includes automation features that can simplify routine accounting tasks, reducing manual effort and the possibility of errors. And because it's a cloud-based solution, Wiise enables remote access to financial data, allowing accountants to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Of course, Wiise doesn't limit to the professional services. Other industries will benefit from this ERP solution as well. Manufacturing companies face complex challenges in managing inventory, production and supply chain. Wiise inventory management capabilities, coupled with the production planning and scheduling tools, empower manufacturing enterprises to maintain optimal stock level, track resources and streamline production processes. Real-time data insights enable better demand forecasting, reducing waste and ensuring timely deliveries. Retailers and e-commerce will also benefit from Wiise. Wiise integrated system provides a unified platform for managing sales, inventory and customer relationship. Its advanced analytical and reporting features will assist in understanding customer behavior, enabling personalized marketing strategies and optimizing inventory level across multiple sales channels. Healthcare organizations grapple with the diverse operational needs, including patient data management, scheduling and compliance requirements. Wiise helps healthcare providers in optimizing workflows, managing patient information securely and ensuring regulatory compliance. Enhanced data security and streamlined processes contribute to better patient care delivery. There are definitely more industries that will benefit from implementing Wiise solution, like hospitality, wholesales and distribution. And if you have any questions, please comment below or contact me directly. Also, you can find more details about Wiise on their official website. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you.